everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to animate icons in After Effects. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to animate this dollar coin. So and press R and then P for position, R for rotation, add keyframes, move the coin left right here, and then move it back right here, then rotate it maybe 30 minus 30, and on 1 second make it 30, and we have this nice moving rotation. Now just copy paste the keyframe, make it loop. We have this cool animation here. Now just click F9 for ease and apply some ease using these controllers. It is ease, and now we have this nice animation. Now because we are animating icon and so we don't have too much time, we have to cover everything in 2 seconds. Just click and add keyframes and do a minus 50 second, and then move it here and then add 50 seconds. Now make one of these keyframe dollar sign a bit forward, and let's see what we have now. Okay, so good, and here we are. Let's do it right, maybe this much, and then just copy paste these keyframes thrice, and we have this nice animation. Every time you create animation, make sure to save your project. Here's a preview of how it looks. If you have any question or need a video on any topic, please feel free to comment below and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.